Guys, I'm done with my thing. Hi, Hobbs. Look at this little Humpty boy. You're just a little Humpty boy. Oh my god, you're a sleepyhead. You have mommy's headband. You are a sleepyhead. Sleepyhead, sleepyhead, sleepyhead. Sleepyhead, sleepyhead, sleepyhead. I love him so much, guys. I love him so much. I love him. Look at that. Hi guys, Mama loves me and Daddy loves me. I know I'm annoying you. He start pairing, guys. Every time I touch him, he start pairing. I don't know if you can hear it. Too cute. Yeah, he's so tired. He's tired because he been jumping and playing last night in bed like crazy. Oh my god. So that's why now daytime is sleep time. It's sleep time for my Humpty boy. It's sleep time for my Humpty boy. It's sleep time. Oh, oh, I forgot I'm downloading something. Hold on. I forgot. Let's see. I will turn the light on. Hold on, guys. I'm going to check my laptop because I'm uploading something on YouTube.
Question, please. Good evening. If you could change one of your physical characteristics, which one would it be and why?
Se você pudesse mudar alguma das suas características físicas, qual característica você mudaria e por quê?
Boa noite, São Paulo.
Good evening, São Paulo.
Graças a Deus, eu estou muito satisfeita do jeito que Deus me fez. Gosto de mim assim, não mudaria absolutamente nada.
Thank God, I am very well satisfied with the way that God created me, and I wouldn't change a thing.
Considero uma menina bonita por dentro, tenho os meus princípios, os meus valores.
I consider myself a woman endowed with inner beauty. I have my principles.
Aqueles que eu adquiri da minha família, pois sinto que fui muito bem educada e assim que eu pretendo ser a vida toda. E já agora...
I have acquired many wonderful principles from my family, and I plan to follow these through the rest of my life.
E já agora aproveito para deixar um conselho a todos os presentes.
And now I would like to give all of you a piece of advice.
Respeitem-se uns aos outros.
Respect one another.
Obrigada. Nice job to all of you. Ótimas respostas. Vocês podem aplaudir mais.
Good morning. Good morning, guys. We're still both sleepy. My eyes I can't open. And look at this little guy here. He just sleep with me. Good morning, guys. I just want you to see what morning I have all the time. This is the morning I have. My little baby sleep with me. It's love overload in here. Right, baby, now. Too much love, boy. Too much love. Hi guys, good morning. You know, I show you this morning the cat is in my arms all the free. I just want to show you that the cat's always in my arm every morning. And anyway guys, we're in Stop and Shop. We're done here. We just pick up something. We just pick up something like what did we came here for?
Clementines.
Oh yeah, clementines, but we pick up pineapple and more. No, it's not really a more. It's less than 12 items. And I don't know where we're heading, but
CVS.
in Larchmont. No, it's not. Right there. So. Oh shit! We forgot again.
What did you forget now?
The gas.
We don't have the cans.
Next time. And my husband's going to leave me again after this. Because he's going to work. He's a hard-working guy. Hard-working guy. They have a lot of stone right here, guys. They're very expensive. I think you've been here, hon.
I understand their prices are not bad.
Really? They have wood too, like for
looks
like
really
a
good.
wood. They have wood, like for a flooring. No, it's just
It's not
all
lumber, it's just stone yard.
Oh, stone yard. Okay. Change because I look like an idiot. Anyway, there's nothing here, Hobbs. It's my husband's. Get a lot of chocolate, candy, chocolates, lollipops for the Halloween. And I get something from CVS. So we get this from CVS. And hold on. Stop fighting, guys. Hey! I get something from CVS. I can't find it. Yes!
You go downstairs and then you do me 2 favors.
What?
Take a Ziploc bag with you and bring up like that much of the orange cheese.
Orange, okay.
And bring her one of her butters because she's on the counter, so she got the red butter.
So your cheese and the other cheese. I got this, guys. They don't have the other one. This is the one that they only have. So this is good. It's dented. It's okay. No, I'm talking about here something. Not in the table, Hobbs. I have clementines, guys.
Watch his face. He's talking.
He's feeding his kid again. Yeah, it's not good. Hobbs, enough with that thing. Look at that. He's like...
Hey, little man.
These cats are so lucky. Believe me. The cats in the Philippines, poor those cats. They don't have food. They're struggling for their, what to eat. Cats over here is spoiled. Hi guys. My husband's still here, but he's leaving soon. And it's already, what time is it? It's 12:34 and maybe an hour from now I'm gonna pick up her. And hi guys, my husband just left. We both fall asleep in the couch and he's running late, so he's rushing. And anyway guys, yeah, it's very like, oh my god, it's nice to just to stay in bed. Hi guys, finally guys, I'm done editing and I can upload it later. Yeah. It's just sad that my husband's good. It's just sad that my husband went to work late this afternoon. Anyway guys, I want to ask you, you guys watching my vlog, right? And the intro, like the intro before you can see the vlog, do you like it, or it's too much or something, you want me to change it back to normal. And you guys let me know, just comment below guys if you're like, it's too much dramatic, it's too much going on in the intro. So let me know guys. Thank you. That's my mother-in-law when she's young. And this is me when I'm young.